Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone in today's class for the 6th elementary grade. Our textbook is Weekend 3 and today inshallah we will cover Unit 9. My School is Cool Phonics Practice on page 115. This lesson will be presented by me, teacher Mazen Harbi. So let's begin. Quick revision in our last lesson. In our last lesson, we started this amazing exercise, which is about vowel diagrams and murmuring sounds, where what we did is we listen and say different words and we pointed and say the keywords and we listened and checked. So here we have what we did last lesson is we listened to different words that has different sounds. And we said that it is important that once we listen to them, to practice with them one more time and also to listen to the teacher so we can know how to write them. So let's make quick revision on these words from last time. So the first word we have is that has the O and U sound, which is house. House. Say after me. House. The second word with O and U sound as well, which is mouse. Mouse. Say after me. Mouse. So mouse here has O and U sound in the middle. Also, the other sounds we have listened to are the sounds that starts with O or has the O and W sound. With words like cow. Cow. Say after me. Cow. So cow here has the O and W sound. Also, another word with O and W sound, which is the word brown. Brown. Say after me. Brown. So here brown also has O and W sound in the middle. And after this we talk about words that has two O's. And we said that we can differentiate them. So we have words with short double O's and we have words with long double O's. So let's start by reading and listening to the words with the short double O's. Like here, for example, the words that has two double O's but pronounced shortly are the word book. Book. Say after me. Book. So here we have two O's, but they have shorter sound. Book. Also, another example is from the two O's short version, which is cook. Cook. Say after me. Cook. And also, we can think of other words like foot. Foot. So, book, cook, foot, all of these words has two O's, but they with the short version. They are pronounced in a very short way. Now, the other type we have, which is the two O's, the words that has two O's, but the longer one, which means that when we pronounce them with a bit extension. For example, here we have this word, which is moon. Moon. Say after me. Moon. So, the word moon has two O's, as we can see here. But it has longer sounds than the other words we just listened to. Also, another examples of words with the longer two O's is the word spoon. Spoon. Say after me. Spoon. So spoon here has two O's, but with longer sounds than the other. So two O's, we have two types of them. We have the shorter one, like book, foot, cook. And we have the longer one like spoon and moon. The other sounds we have learned is A and U. We said that we have words that starts with A and U like August. August. Say after me. August. August here starts with the sounds A and U. Also, another word that starts with A and U sound, which is autumn. Autumn. Say after me. Autumn. Autumn here starts with A and U. Autumn. Also, the other sound we have learned are the words that has the A and W sound. Like, for example, straw. Straw. Say after me. Straw. So here with the word straw, we have A and W sound. And also another word with A and W sound, which is strawberry. Strawberry. Say after me. Strawberry. Very good. Here strawberry has A and W sound as well. Also, with the other words we have learned from last time, which is O and I, like the word coin. Coin. Say after me. Coin. So coin here has O and I sound in the middle. Also, another word with O and I sound, which is point. Point. Say after me. Point. So point here has also O and I sound in the middle. Also, words that ends with O and Y. Another example of words that ends with O and Y, this word, which is boy. Boy. Say after me. Boy. So this is a word that ends with O and Y. Another word that ends with O and Y that we have learned or we did practice and listen to and practice from last lesson, which is toy. Toy. Say after me. Toy. Very good. So these are the examples of words that we did listen to, practice, and know exactly the sounds we have for each of these words. So today, inshallah, we're going to have more words with the different sounds. So, and our objectives in today's lesson, we hope that at the end of this lesson, you will be able to point and say the keywords with A-R, O-R, U-R, I-R, W-O-R, and also words that ends with E and R. So this is what we're going to do today, is that we going to read the words that has these letters. Some of them may start at the beginning of this word, of these words, and also some of them may end with them. So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to listen to new sets of words. So, first I would like you please to open your books on page 115. I would like you please to open your books on page 115 as we're going to learn different words. We're going to listen to them, to say them again. So the first word we have that has the A and R sound, which is the word park. Park. Say after me. Park. So here, park has A and R sound in the middle. Park. And park is the kind of place we would like to go in cool weather. Park. Also, the other word we have with AR, which is farm. Farm. Say after me. Farm. Also, farm has A and R sound in the middle. Farm, which is a place where we can raise animals. Farm. The next word we have that has the O and R sound, and this word is horse. Horse. Say after me. Horse. Horse has the O and R sound in the middle. Horse. So horse is an animal that we can see when we go to different farms. Now the other word we have, which is corn. Corn. Say after me. Corn. Corn that has O and R sound in the middle. Corn. Corn, which is the type of food that we usually love. Corn. Also, the other sets of words that has the UR sound, words like turtle. Turtle. Say after me. Turtle. So here, turtle has U and R sound in the middle. Turtle. Turtle, which is a small animal that we all love. Also, another word with U and R, which is the word purple. Purple. Say after me. Purple. A purple, which is a color. The color purple. And as you can see here, it has the U and R sound in the middle. Also, another word with U and R sound, which is the word nurse. Nurse. Say after me. Nurse. So nurse that has U and R sound, which is a nurse. When we go to hospital, we always have a nurse to help us and also to help the doctors as well. Also, another word or another sound, the IR sound, which is the word bird. 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 Say after me. Bird. So a bird is the kind of animal who can fly, which can fly. And as you can see here, we have the I and R sound in the middle. Also, another word with I and R sound, which is the word shirt. Shirt. Say after me. Shirt. And here, shirt has the I and R sound in the middle. Shirt, which is a piece of clothing that we wear. Also, another word with I and R sound, which is the word circle. Circle. Say after me. Circle. And here, circle has I and R sound in the middle. Circle, which means the shape circle. Also, sounds with O and R, like this word, doctor. Doctor. Say after me. Doctor. And here we can say O and R sound at the end of this word. Doctor. A doctor who is a person which we go to, who works in a hospital and we go to when we feel sick. Also, the other word we have, and here we have 3 letters, not 2. Here we have 3 letters word that starts with W, O, and R. We have words like work. Work. Say after me. Work. So this is how we pronounce words that starts with W and O. We pronounce them like this. Work. Work. Also, we can say word. Word. So we have word, work. Also, another example of words that starts with W-O-R is this word, world. World. Say after me, world. So world here has W-O and R sound. It's very important that we can differentiate with word that starts with W-O-R, as we're going to have longer O sound with this word. Word, work, and world. Now, the last sets of letters that we have for today are the words that ends with E and R. Words like teacher. Teacher. Say after me, teacher. So teacher here ends with E and R. Teacher. Also, the other word we have that ends with E and R is the word hamster. Hamster. Say after me, hamster. So hamster here ends with E and R. So, and at the end, it's important that we can point and say the keywords with A-R, O-R, U-R, I-R, and W-O-R, and also words that ends with E-R. So now we have reached the end of our lesson. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.